Hello everyone, welcome to our Grand International live broadcast studio. And our Grand is a company with 20 years experience in personal and household consumer products. And now let's move on to our next product, our liquid washing.
Yes, because of the coronavirus, people get used to wash hands more frequently.
Yes.
So liquid soap is in big demand. Our Clean brand also covers liquid soap.
Yes, we not only have the hand sanitizer wash without water, we also have our traditional product. We have to wash our hands with water. Yes, and as we can see, here are so many different colors of liquid washing liquid. So, Spring, could you explain to us?
Yes.
What color means?
Yes, this is our liquid soap, Clean brand, and this is 500 gram. You can see the color is yellow.
Yes.
This one is lemon fragrance.
Lemon fragrance. So
And
the yellow one means the lemon fragrance.
Yes. And this one is red.
Red. And I can see apple here.
Yes, apple fragrance.
Okay, this is apple fragrance.
And this one is green.
Green.
Yeah, you can see it's grapefruit.
Wow.
So, Clean brand liquid soap, we have 3 different fragrances.
Wow, 3 different choices of fragrance. So if the customers they want other fragrances, can we offer that?
Yes, if customer want other fragrance, we can also make. As you can see here, it's another brand, Joby. This one is the aloe vera fragrance.
Wow, this is another choice.
Yes, another choice. And you can see this bottle is smaller than this one. You can see.
Yeah, so we also have different sizes to choose.
Yeah,
right?
big one is 500 gram and the small one is 300 gram.
Wow,
and
that's
you can
perfect.
see this is gel.
Yeah,
same
this
as
is
the
gel.
hand sanitizer, right?
Yes.
And you use it, you need to rinse with water.
Yes, this gel is liquid washing and we need to rinse it with water. And I can also find here,
Yeah.
this is with different pump, right? Is this
Yeah.
also the liquid washing
Yeah.
soap?
This is also liquid soap, but this is different. You see, this one is the liquid, not gel.
Yes.
And we can see here it's hand washing foam.
Foam, yeah.
When you pump it out, it's foam. It's white foam.
So we can directly wash it with the
Rub your
foam.
hands and rinse with water.
Okay.
This product called hand washing foam, and this product have a different pump. This pump is different from this pump. This pump we call it foam pump.
Foam pump.
Yeah, pump
because
it out
the foam
becomes the foam.
Okay, and they also the shape is different.
Yeah, this bottle is different, but
Yes.
both are the liquid soap.
Maybe they have the same function.
Yeah. So and after wash, your hands feel very
Moisture.
smooth. Yeah, moisture, not dry. Do you know why?
Maybe you add some special ingredient.
Yeah, we put moisturizer
Moisturizer.
and we keep the pH balanced.
Wow, that's very important.
Yes.
Because under this coronavirus situation, we wash our hands many times. So and in this water season, yeah, it is easy to feel dry.
hands.
Yeah. So this is very important.
Yeah, so we put moisturizer in it and we keep the pH balanced, which will, after use, your skin feel very smooth and gentle.
Okay, that's perfect.
Yes, and you know, we have different choices for customer. If they want to try different fragrance and if they want this liquid soap and both liquid soap.
Yes, can they mix?
Yeah, can mix in one container.
We can also provide mix in one container, and if they have their private label, can we provide?
Yeah. Currently, our private label there is MOQ, and the MOQ is 10,000 pieces per size.
Okay,
per
10,000 pieces per
For
size.
example, if you want a lemon fragrance private label, your MOQ is 10,000 pieces.
Okay,
If you
I
want
see.
apple fragrance, then MOQ is 10,000 pieces.
But you can mix the 10,000 per,
Yeah.
per size in one container.
Yeah, our
Okay.
MOQ is the 20-feet container. In 20-feet container, you can mix 3 fragrances.
3 fragrances
Even
in
for
one
the
container.
private label.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
very suitable for the customers new in this business.
Yeah.
And during the Canton Fair, they can also enjoy the very, very favorable price, right?
Yeah.
So if you want to order, please just call us, call our hotline, and you
Yeah.
can also leave messages online because we have clicks there 24 hours, right?
Yeah, our service department, customer service department is 24 hours online.
Yes.
We are ready to answer your questions.
Yes, every day, 24 hours
Yeah.
online every day. Okay,
Yeah.
now let's move on to our next disinfectant product.
Yes.
It is the bleach.
Yeah, we call it bleach.
Yes, as we can see here, there are also many different sizes.
Yeah, smaller,
Bigger,
even 20 liter.
even
drum.
20 liter.
Yeah,
so
even
so
drum.
these sizes are not the 4 sizes.
Yeah,
not
it's
the,
just several size we display here.
yes, and Spring, could you introduce to our audiences the functions? So what
Okay.
is the first function and the second function?
We call this product bleach because its active ingredient is chlorine.
Chlorine.
Normally at home we use it. For example, if we wear white clothes and there is blood stain on it, you
Yes.
know blood stain is very difficult to wash up, right?
Yes.
But if you use bleach, you pour little several drops bleach into the water, into the stain, then the stain becomes white very soon.
Wow, I think so. Each family, if they have children,
Yeah.
maybe they should. This is a necessity for the families with children, right?
Yes, and you know, in some African countries like Djibouti, like Yemen, the people, the men like to wear white gown.
Yes,
right?
white gowns.
Yeah, white gown is.
It must be very difficult to wash these
Yeah.
white gowns.
Yeah, white gowns after some time it's easy to, it will yellowing, and it's difficult to wash clean.
Yes,
So they buy the bleach. They buy bleach for laundry use.
for laundry use. Okay,
Yeah.
so laundry use is the first function of bleach.
Yeah.
And why it is also the disinfectant product?
It belongs to disinfecting product because it can kill the bacteria and the virus.
Yes, it can also effectively kill bacteria.
Yes. And I want to tell you that when you use this product, need to dilute with water.
Okay.
Dilute 100 times with water.
So you cannot directly touch it with your hands.
Yeah.
Maybe it may hurt the
Yeah.
hands without dilution.
Yeah, we suggest you to wear gloves when you're using this product.
Wow, that's very
And-
very good suggestion.
Yeah. And to dilute with water, for example, if you put 1 drop of bleach, then you need to add 100 drops of water.
Okay, so 1 and 100.
Yeah.
Yes, the portion is 1 drop of bleach and 100 drops of water.
Yes.
Okay, now-
And after dilution, you can use to mop floor. Yeah.
Okay.
To wash the kids' toys. To do the housework with this.
Wow,
For
clear
family
that.
disinfection. Family disinfection.
And I think it can also be used in maybe factories or even hospitals
Yes.
or even schools.
Yeah, can
there are many,
use-
many public areas.
Yes. Several months before, the coronavirus was serious in Wuhan. So the factories, the hospitals, they buy bleach from
Yeah.
us for disinfection use.
Yeah, so it is the necessity under this coronavirus situation. Yes, I think every family and factory and banks, even schools, they must prepare this one
Yes,
all the time.
and I want to inform you that after use this product, we need to open the window because the chlorine smells have strong smell.
Yes.
Yeah, so we need to open the window.
Yes, and here, is this product approved by the SGS?
Yes, we can also show you the SGS report. Our chlorine content is 4% to 7%. It's standard in China.
Wow, it's standard in China and it is with good quality.
Yeah.
And I think the package is also very attractive.
Yeah, this bottle is special. We specially made this bottle.
Yes, so
It's 900 ml.
yes, so apart from the alcohol products, I think this one is also very hot in market.
Yeah, it's very hot
need
in
it.
market.
Okay, so
Do you
thank
know
you.
we can make 500 tons each day?
Wow,
this product.
500 tons each day.
For this
Is that
product.
incredible number?
Yeah, incredible. So we
Okay.
are the biggest disinfecting products manufacturer in China.
Yes, and that's the reason why we can offer the most favorable price. Yes, among all
Yeah.
the products,
Yes.
and
during
that's the reason we can win the market.
Yes.
Okay.
Don't forget to browse our website and call us if you have any needs or questions. Our customer department is online 24 hours.
Yes, 24 hours. If you want to order or if you have any questions, just call us. Okay, anytime, 24 hours.
We are ready to answer your questions.
Yes, and you can enjoy the most favorable price during the Canton Fair.
Yes.
Yes,
biggest
among the
discount.
yes, because if you miss this chance, maybe you have to wait next year.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Spring. For more details, let's watch the video.